Why does your scanner show the P242F engine code? And what does it mean? The P242F engine error code stands for the Diesel Particulate Filter restriction, ash accumulation in Bank 1. The P242F engine error code indicates that the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has detected a restrictive level of ash in the Diesel Particulate Filter, DPF. In this situation, cease driving and fix your car immediately. What causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Ash accumulation in DPF. Damaged DPF pressure sensor. Faulty EGT sensor. Open, shorted EGT harness. Poor EGT circuit connection. Faulty MAF/IAT sensor. Inefficient DPF regeneration. Overuse of additives. Clogged or damaged DPF. Software or ECM issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles. This code is applicable to most newer diesel vehicles, including those made by Ford, Mercedes-Benz, Vauxhall, Mazda, and Jeep. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.